Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the file type so you know what to look for. Word files use. docx or doc. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac and position it in a likely route like Documents. Once done, click the search field in the window to begin typing. This gets you into active searching without delay and ensures your system will filter results quickly rather than scanning unknown locations manually. Now refine results to save time. Type asterisk, docx or asterisk. Doc into the search box so only Word files appear. Then apply filters such as date modified or file size to narrow down recent or larger documents. If you remember a folder, limit the search to that folder. This reduces hits and speeds up indexing. If you have many results, use preview or sort by date to spot the right file quickly and avoid opening. Finally, open the best candidate and verify its contents with preview or by opening in Word. Make sure it's the right version before editing. Once verified, consider copying it to a known folder or backing it up. If you cannot find the file, check the recycle bin and Word's auto-recover locations. Also search cloud folders like OneDrive. If recovery fails, stop writing over suspect files and attempt a system restore or use a recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.